Hallelujah!
Знов новий рік, знов летить лопатий сніг, в цей нічний добрий час.
We want to congratulate Oleg for his 1-year safe driving.
Oh my God, that is awesome! Look at that. 1 year. 25 years of experience and 1 year safety drive.
Love that for you. For Walmart.
Oh, thank you, sweet.
You're welcome.
Oh, this is very good. I love that. I'm so happy. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Good.
Natasha, surprise! Bananas! You remember Chiquita bananas? This guy, David, we delivered that. You remember that? David! Today, they see 114. There's this huge line, and there's this mess right here. It must be delivered yesterday, 26. This my buddy, David! I will put you on my YouTube channel. Okay. Where's your trailer? Where's your trailer? Somewhere here? Jeez. So probably you need go over there. Okay. Have fun. The first time. Last year I have no problem. That's not good management. Absolutely not good. This is my actual hours left, 5 hours and 33 minutes. We are staying here, 2 lines, and that truck is gone. I don't know. This truck is coming to stay in lane or drop trailer. This is crazy day. 100% I do not get out here today. Time is going, truck not moving. I have to stay in line. I don't know what to do. I will not get on the road tonight. Okay, no matter what truck I use air cleaner all the time, because dust from paper, clothes, everything is make dust. I use that mat. Your feet is not frozen. What? It is disaster. Jesus. All trucks going there. Make U-turn and stay in line. I need drop trailer and go sleep. This is my brother, old school driver. Good job, man. If something happened like that, must be cancel all restriction. Absolutely cancel all restriction. Food must be delivered to American. 100%. If you don't have experience to manage in a weather condition or something, you need to order temporary people who know how to do that in that condition. It's my suggestion to you. I have a good idea for Walmart. You have policy to snow remove. Forget about snow scrapers. Each trailer must have on roof electric heater. All ice and snow is beginning melted. I was here. For that hours, I move only here. Left hours 240. And I see that spot over here. That's Pottsville, Pennsylvania. Parking is full. Good morning, family. Good morning, everyone. Next day. They check trailers. I have 11 hours driving, 14 on duty. Walmart has this policy to remove ice. Now you sit without food. Good luck. People suing trucking companies because snow fall on the cars, injure people. No food. Walmart has huge grocery store, and all trucks is here at Pottsville, Pennsylvania. 100 trucks. When happen like that disaster, you need to remove all restrictions. Go feed Americans. Good. Oh, I cannot sit long time. It's not healthy for my health. I walk, run. Good. What's my pulse? Oh, 125. It's good. For my age, 78 years old, we are stay here. Still here. Today I start 8 o'clock morning. From 14 hours left 10 hours. But I have progress. I move a little bit. Yesterday I start from here. Okay, I move like that. Yesterday I dropped my trailer here, so I have same trailer. This morning I come in, pick up trailer and going around, make U-turn, stay in line again. Do you see? I moved today for 4 hours over here, going there. We going there, we going there. This scraper, snow scraper is over here. So I need move like that. Snow scrape, get out, stop sign, and go into the scale and get out of here. 8 hours 45 minutes left. Right now I am here. This is my log. Next step, I will go here, there to scraper, over there and out. Вкусный. Вкус. Я люблю, как же это. Я люблю, как же это. Я люблю дивень, это боющий, это я вкус. This problem. This snow scraper is broken. I'm still at Pottsville, Pennsylvania. So I'm here. Snow scraper is here, do you see? I got 7 hours. But each trailer take 40-45 minutes. So I cannot make that store. I call, they remove that load, and I go bobtail to home. And this is very dangerous because right now raining, fog and frozen. I returned to Smyrna, Delaware, and I left 1 hour 58 minutes. Okay, driver will be happy. I returned to him, absolutely clean tractor. I wash floor. So that's mat was here, so I do not touch that. Everything is clean. Mirrors, windows, mirror windows clean. Wash tractor. Dashboard is clean, no fingerprints. That's how you're supposed to return tractor. Good luck. I'm back home. Sorry. Oh, no!
We can't let them!
Right hand. I'm left. No, you're right. I'm left. I'm left. Yeah, working. Yeah.